Hello my friends, welcome to the channel again. We still hard work, very hard, every day new Figma. So fucking nice. Today we're gonna see the Miku Hatsune Snow version. This is Figma EX-060 exclusive, yeah, produced in September 2020, yeah, Snow Parade version. Snow Miku has been recreated as a Figma in her matching band outfit. Взяли на Авито за 5500. Кстати, последние разы, когда я на нее натыкался, она стоила намного дороже. От 10 тысяч больше русских баксов. А мы взяли 5500. БУ, но все нормально. Сейчас посмотрим на нее. Most famous Russian beer, Baltica 9, yeah. Drink the Baltica. Snow Miku, Parade version. Марширует. Правильно. Такая милая девочка. Very nice girl. И дудит в трубу. Blow the trumpet. О, наклеечка нехорошая. Не покажу, что там написано. То же самое. Сзади много картинок. Especially lovely box, big box. I love the Figma big boxes. This is cool. Yeah, this nice face, closed eyes, very nice. This pose with flags, celebrity flags, yeah, праздничные флажки. Вид сзади. Back view. Oh, some notes flying out of her horn. Matching Yukina. This is Yukina. Let's open up this box. Full of treasures. This is the flags you must cut it out of this cartoon to use in display. Блять. Сука, блять. Внутри violet violet tone. So fucking damn it, katana's handles is always falling out. This is a big problem of such figure arts. Some details always falling out, just dropping. We have nice Figma stand, original of course, Pia Pro, Krypton Futures Media Inc. Nekosumi, whatever it may be. This is our blister. Notes, some holders, stands. This is the French horn, indeed, or not. No. This is the French horn. Yeah. This is a trumpet, just a trumpet, two faces. Yukina. И тут еще написано, что должен быть какой-то батон. Но тут осталась только вот эта штуковина. This stuff. Как он? How to name this button? Baton rouge. Instruction. Changeable hands. Something else, I guess. Let's see. Miku оркестр ходячий. Oh yeah, we have FIGMA back original. Yeah, that's fucking cool. And we have spare joint for the wrists, adapter for the stand, and 4 pairs of changeable hands. Yeah, that's the instruction. Everything must be there. All answers to all our questions must be there. Let's turn to English side. How to attach, example of use, options, but no fucking names of all. I can see nothing. Really, this baton, I don't know, just don't know. Okay, let's back to the figure. This is the notes, musical notes flying out of her trumpet. Very nice. Translucent holder, stand. Not for this, certain not for this. This is for Yukino. I know it. Yukino is so nice and cute little rabbit, white rabbit. Just pull in the head, in the back of the head, and everything will be okay. I guess the head is turning. Yeah, some turning indeed. Крольчатина. Changeable face plates. Close the eyes. Very nice face. Beautiful looking eyes. Blue eyes. Open mouth. Very positive. And if I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but this is kind of face plates have a very large ears. По-русски это называется лопухи. Уши как лопухи. Хи-хи. What is left? Musical instruments. This is the French horn. This is the trumpet. Yeah. And this is perhaps this baton. Baton is really baton. This part is disconnecting. To take to hand, give to our Hitsune Miku another one stuff. Everything is taken from the blister. Let's see at this Miku itself, herself. Yeah, so interesting design. Yeah, so much is going on around her hairs. Look at this. These ribbons, white ribbons, blue ribbons with some painting. Interesting. Very quality, very high quality of painting. Nothing slips, nothing blinks. Hairs to the end is just partially translucent, I guess. Yes, right. I have a snow, some snow. This is Snow Miku. Поэтому у нее снежинки, да, на волосах, поняли? So nice head, little head with feathers. Yeah, nice. This stuff, gold, some ribbons again, golden epaulets, yes, I don't know if that's this word exists in English language. Epaulets, shoulder pads, epaulets. I don't know. Okay, let's see her skirt. I guess she have no pants because she has another kind of pants. Not pantsu, just a pants. And white shoes, big white shoes with ribbons on the back, red and blue. Yeah, this is the notes. This is some musical I don't know how to name this. Я даже не знаю, как по-русски это сказать, честно говоря. В общем, это такая штука, на которой пишут ноты, нотная грамота, да? Note. Как тут перевести на английский, не ебу вообще. Ладно. Наши возможности в английском тоже ограничены. Articulation about what we have here. Certain amount of movement in her waist, in the neck too. Just look at the movement of her knees. Very good. Very. Show us your split. How can you do the split? That's all we have, but not bad, not bad. High kick could be better, yes. Elbow joints working just like this in this angle movement. Epaulets are restraining movement of the shoulder on both sides. This is a soft plastic. This is the soft plastic too. Skirt soft plastic too, and this thing too. So another piece of soft plastic. Very a lot of soft plastic in this figure. Let's try to change her face to see how it looks. Okay, that's really big ears. Don't know about this. Some special thoughts. Designers make so big ears, but when you put the hairs, you almost not see the ears at all. Okay, I'm happy with that. Stand, please. Well, she stands without stand. 10 of 10. Let's drink Baltica 9. Saber, what are you doing here? Saber, Ultra Saber. Let's see her hands list. Spread fingers, holding hands, another spread fingers, two fists, simple, ordinary holding hands. And this is not ordinary, I guess it's for her trumpet and horn, special hands. And we have here another spread fingers, and oh, I guess I can give her a button. Where's the button? Причем I can give her it without separating parts. It's already in her hand. Yeah. Okay, what can I say about this figure? She's a very fucking nice. I fucking love it. So nice sculpt, especially for her hairs, all these curves and color transition into the translucent, almost from the green blue into the white. Another thing's very nice too, very cute figure. I highly recommend this figure to your collection if you're a fan of Miku Hatsune. Especially, it's figure for you. And for me, yeah, девочка, красавица. Пойдем, устроишь нам концерт небольшой, и потом мы отлично проведем время. Let's march on. Bye bye.